Welcome back to Hausama series. This is lesson 7. So in this lesson we are going to find the value of numbers with the power. So we're going to use logarithm to find the approximate value of the power index. Take example number 2a, 24 raised power 3, b 56 raised power 2, c 74 raised power 4. Take solution. To find a 24 raised power 3, so what we are going to do is that to remember the rule of logarithm, log m raised power n is equal to n log m. Therefore, log 24 power 3 is equal to 3 log 24. In our first lesson of logarithm, you can get this rule and it is exact. So after I have done this one, we are going to look for log 24 in logarithm. After converting 24 standard form, we find log 10 raised power 1 as 10. Then we are going to look for 24 under 0, which means that log 2.4. So it is 3802. So if you got this one, so we are going to replace log 2.4 with log 2.4 with 0.3802. So we have 3 times 1.3802. So if we multiply it will be 4.1406. So we are just adding. Once we got it from logarithm, we'll just add them with power index of 10. So that is the answer. So log 24 raised power 3 is 4.1406. So this one 4 is power of 10, and we're going to check anti-logarithm dot 14 under 0 difference 6 so that we can be able to find exact approximate value of the number 24 raised power 3. So we are going to check dot 14 under 0 is 1380. So we have difference 6. If we check 1380 difference 6, we are going to look at it's 2. So if you add 1380 with 2, it will be 1382. So now we are replacing the numbers. We have 24 raised power 3 is equal to 24 multiplied by 1.1382. So if you multiply them, exact answer will be 13,820. So its exact in calculator is 13,824. So we approximated correct to 4 significant figures. That is how we are solving this, how we are finding it with logarithm of number. So to find b 56 raised power 2, we are following the same process. So log 56 raised power 2 is equal to 2 times log 56 as it is in the rule. So log 56 is equal to 1 plus 5 plus log 5.6. This is 56 under 0. We have 7482. So we have 0.7482. So it is. So we are going to multiply 2 by log 5.6, which is 1.742. It will be 3.4964. So when you multiply it by 2, it will be 3.4964. 3 is a power of 10, 3. But this .49, we are going to check it under anti-logarithm. 49.49 under 6 different 4 is 3133. So the difference under 4 is 3. When you add them, it will be 3136. So we are going to have 3.136. So I'm multiplying by 10 raised power 3 since our characteristic is 3. So 10 raised power 3 multiplied by 3.136 is equal to 3136. So that is how we got this 56 raised power 2. So this is an exact value. Even in the calculator, it's the same. So the last one to find c 74 raised power 4. So we are following the same process. So we are converting this 74 to standard form is equal to 2 raised power 1 multiplied by 7.4. So log of 10 raised power 1 is 1 and log of 7.4 is going to be captured in log table. So log 74 is equal to log 10 raised power 1, which is 1, plus log 7.4. So take a look on logarithm table. We have 74 under 0 is 0.8692 exactly. So when you match them, we have 1 point. If you add it with log 7.4, it will be 1 plus 0.8692. When you add them, it will be 4 multiplied by 1.8692. So log 74 raised power 4 is equal to 7.4768. To find exact value of 74 square 74 raised power 4, we are going to look at this. This 7 is the power of 10, but dot 47 we are going to look at antilog. So this is antilog table. Dot 47 under 6 difference 8. So difference 8 is 5. So we have 2992 plus 5 is 2997. So we have antilog of dot 47 under 6 difference 8 is 2.997. So when we multiply it by 2 raised to power 7, so it will be exactly 29,970,000. So this one is an approximation correct to first four significant figure. So this is an exercise. You are going to use logarithm to find a 34 raised to power 3, b 45 raised to power 2, c 63 raised to power 2. So if you have done this one, so by the grace of God, if you can do this, you'll be able to find out exactly. So this is sample of critical equation to be solved using logarithm. So you can do this one by the grace of God next class, maybe next session, but not this SS1 instance. So listeners, for today we have come to an end to today's lesson. You can subscribe, like, comment, and share for others to be benefited. So see you in the next lesson tomorrow by the grace of God. And we are taking different lesson we have done with logarithm for this year until next year. See you next year.